Today we'll focus on vectors. Vectors is a list of numbers with magnitude and direction. So you can draw the vector, let's say like this. This is vector v, and then you can have another one like this, vector u. So you see this is the length, which is called the magnitude, and it is pointing upward, so that would be like the direction. So these are the drawings, and in a mathematical way it could be written like this. Let's have an example. Let's say you have vector v has 3 and 4. So if you were to draw this, you would, like, let's say start with 0 0, and then it would go 3 4, so like this. Where 3 is basically x, and then y would be 4. If you were to measure the length of the vector, basically to calculate the magnitude, so let's say vector v, you want to calculate the magnitude, so that's square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is equal to square root of 9 plus 16. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. It means that the length of this vector is equal to 5, which makes sense because this is like a triangle with right angle, and then this is 3, this is 4, and then if you use Pythagoras with a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, so then c is just square root of a squared plus b squared, which is basically the same formula here. Now if I were to add an extra dimension, then the formula would have been similar. It's just square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared, which is 25 plus 25 equal to square root of 50, which is basically 5 square root 2. Now if you were to add or subtract vectors, then it's like normal addition. So let's say you have u 2 3, and you have vector b as negative 1 2. So the addition of vector u plus vector b is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 plus 2, which is equal to 1 and 5. That's it. So you just have to add the rows. If you were to multiply by a scalar is just a number. Let's say 2 times vector u, which is 2 times 2, 3. So it's just going to be 4, 6. It's just going to stretch the vector. If you have, let's say, negative 2u, so then negative 2, 2, 3, it's going to be minus 4, minus 6. This is just going to, the negative will change the direction.
Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.